4, 3, 2, 1.
Wahoo!
that was way too loud. Right?
That was way.
Everyone's
It is weird to hear myself.
Oh, we're never going to get this done.
I tried to do. It turned into a Mario.
Okay, scream into the mic just to test the sound. Again.
That's pretty good.
You sound like a fucking dying bird.
Yeah, that's not the sound I'm going to be making.
Channel that dying bird through you.
Can I take these as
Yeah.
bloopers? To do a blooper reel.
You can if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking them all. I'm going to have a blooper reel.
Let's do it. Come on.
I
Let's
don't know
record
how do you download these onto just like USB it? Or
Yes.
what?
Yeah, you
We've
plug
got
it.
a thing.
SD card.
Oh right, okay.
Has anyone put their
Oh, has anyone put their ST in it?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Thank God. Yeah, did you format? Can you even format it?
Yeah.
Ready?
When we got everything else,
We're doing
that's
this.
fine.
Wait, I want to practice the.
Screams.
Do
Because
it.
I don't know how to like.
When you've got everything, I'll put it onto my hard drive and then we'll do the editing way.
Okay.
So it's like. It's really hard to do. Like it's a weird.
Imagine yourself in a plane.
Imagine
It
yourself
doesn't have to
on a
be
roller
weird,
coaster.
just scream. Just do a happy scream.
Just imagine yourself on a roller coaster.
But
Yeah.
I never scream. On a
Yeah, I
roller
was thinking
coaster.
if you've ever been to a fun fair or
A giant drop.
what was it, theme park,
Mm.
to something like that, you're like, woo!
I never scream on a roller coaster. I've
Just
never done it.
just pretend. It's your voice acting.
What about a dropping thing?
Method acting. Just like.
Do you think Darth
The only
Vader
things
actually
I've
got his
dropped
head cut off?
into-
No.
Have you never done one of those up and down?
Hello.
Oh, like bungees? No,
No,
I haven't done that.
not bungees.
Yeah, the things which are like on a trampoline. You
No.
bounce. I don't know what you're talking about.
Like they roll you up in
Okay,
like a theme
I've
park
got an
and they
idea.
drop you.
We get
Oh,
a rope,
yeah.
right? We tie it on just like his legs. We go to the top floor. We push him off, and
We
let's
see
see
if
if
he
he screams.
I think I might just die then.
You
Nah,
just
it's
might
fine,
just
it's
die.
fine.
Be a good sound though.
Are ready? We're doing this, guys. 5,
Fuck it, we'll do it live!
4, 3. Are you fucking serious?
Film industry. Do you use one of these or plug your mic into a camera? Use one of those. Why?
The wires will get in the way.
So I heard lots of things. So Nick said the wires will get in the way. That's important. As a sound person, you want to be able to move freely. For example, if someone's running, you want to be able to follow them running. The camera might be all the way down there, and I've got to keep up the person. Yeah. So what else? Why other reasons? There are loads of reasons to set it out at once. So you're not attached to the camera. You're not bound in chain.
2, 1.
Where am I starting?
Oh my god!
This is the right usually.
Like get close. You have to be right up, like close.
You are.
into space.
Apparently, you are here.
All right.
You are here, and when you get to the bottom, just turn over.
So how am I gonna speak like you don't know?
You alright? No.
Just read the script and get into character.
Maybe do you?
2, 1, record. I've had enough of you. Move over and wait. I've had enough of you. Move over and wait. I've had enough of you. Move over and wait. Let's do this, boys. Let's do this, boys. Let's do this, boys. And scream.
Wait, what voice are you doing?
Charlie.
Oh,
Let's do this, please.
no, wait, make it stop, make it stop. Pause it.
Ready? Is it recording? Okay, everyone. Your task is to jump out of this plane. Keep under the radar and land in the K. If you don't land in the K, you're going home. Is that understood? Good. Let's begin. Drop zone coming up. Okay, everyone. Your task is to jump out of the plane. Keep under radar and land in the K. If you don't land in the K, you're going home. Is that understood? Good. Let's begin. Drop zone coming up. Do one more. Okay, everyone. Your task is to jump out of the plane. Keep under radar and land in the K. If you don't land in the K, you're going home. Is that understood? Good. Let's begin. Drop zone coming up.
It's really good.
I think he's done the best performance.
Someone count me in.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, everyone. Hang on. Okay, everyone. Your task is to jump out of the plane. Keep under radar and land in the K. If you don't land in the K, you're going home. Is that understood? Good. Let's begin.
That was very good.
I
Sorry,
know.
just from my. I'm
Shoot, kill now.
Right, who's next? We need to learn your lines now.
Well, I say we do. Herbie does the last little bits of his, and then we can finish up with the two woos and yays. I'm gonna take it to Shaquille.
Okay, just turn it off before you think about it.
So wait, what do I need to do?
Well, you
You're
need to
like-
do
Yeah,
last
we're gonna drop it down. That's not very.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh! I sound like I'm laughing.
That's fine.
That's
Keep
good.
going.
Whoa! Whoa! And that's it. That's all I'm doing.
Well, you're not doing any more.
No.
I can't. Oh, thank God. I can't. Oh, thank God.
Sod it.
Now it's recording. Right. What? 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 He's right. Come on. He's right. Come on. He's right. Come on. He's right. Come on. Nah, the second one. Wait, the second one. Now me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Now me. I'll say, oh, come on. Now me. Now me. Now me. Now me. And I got any. And oh, I've got to say oh nuts, and that's it. Okay, that's the end of my one. Oh nuts. Oh nuts. Oh nuts. Okay.
Who was that?
Who? Okay, Exy. Grab holding 3, 2, 1. Shit. Hang on.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right.
Not yet.
Fuck's sake.
One more thing. Hang on. Oof.
Oof.
Yeah, you got to do that in a minute yourself, by the way. Oof.
Please, Herbie, we want to get a clean
Wait, are we
taste.
recording?
Yes, we are. That's why I'm here.
No one fucking says oof. Who says oof?
Can you do that scream again? Because Herbie was moaning.
Me, Herbie, shut up.
3, 2,
Don't say oof.
Shut your fucking mouth.
3, 2, 1, scream.
Oof. Well done, Exy. Thanks.
No, do that again.
Don't say
I heard
oof.
them laugh.
Don't say oof.
Why are you saying oof?
Because they
Nick,
fall to the
Falls
ground.
through the sky
Nick,
and
no
goes,
oof.
No, that's when they land.
Nick, when they
Oh,
fall, when someone
penis
falls,
in
look,
his
listen,
bum.
Nick, listen,
Yes.
look. It's like that. It's not. I don't go oof. Oof.
But what was I supposed to write?
I'm gay.
I can't be, I'm a girl.
Oh.
Well, I'm not really a girl, I'm a character. Okay, fine, we won't do the youth.
5, 4,
Should I go for the
3,
screaming?
yeah, scream again. 3, 2, 1, scream.
Sorry.
Do that a bit again.
This paper's trying to fall down on me.
3, 2,
You know what, I'll just do it like that.
3, 2, 1, scream. No, don't jump.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, scream.
Well done, Exy.
No, who laughed? Fuck's sake. You
Oh.
can hear him.
Okay,
Right.
everyone quiet now.
3, 2, 1, scream.
Well done, Exy. Thanks.
You know what? We'll cut that last. We'll cut the last bit out.
A car for £1.
Wait, what
Oh,
happened?
hell yeah.
Wait, what happened with that last bit?
Someone banged.
Oh, for God's sake!
Right,
He
please.
jumped.
No, no one move.
My leg's stuck.
Shall we do it one more time?
Thank
One.
you.
This is the
Look,
last.
Jordan,
Last
you
time.
can get your new car for £1.
Good.
Oh shit.
What is it?
Wait, that's my car. No, I'm kidding.
I know someone's selling a car for 250 quid, Jordan. No.
What car is it?
And then he doesn't show me.
There's a Toyota.
Is it Alexis?
Oh, you like Alexis?
No, I just want something expensive, to be honest. Just anything.
No, I meant Alexia. I thought you meant you liked Alexia.
Oh no, the car. No, not her. No. I don't even know who you're talking about, to be honest.
She's in that one.
Embarrassment.
The smallest.
I don't know what you
You
mean
know
by the
cars?
smaller one.
Smaller than you.
Smaller than Nora. The one who's with her. Pup. That is the name you're bound.
I don't know, to be honest.
No, I'll point her out later.
Oh no.
Don't be rude, Nick.
The small one.
Don't point at
Yeah.
people.
She's like that tall.
Yeah.
Oh, I know who you're talking about. Yeah. No.
I didn't mean
Oh,
literally point.
No, I don't.
Okay, can we have silence in the background? We're gonna
Right.
do it.
No one do anything
This one.
because it's recording.
Oh Christ.
Three. Last take, please. 3, 2, 1. Scream.
Ah! Well done, Exy. Thanks.
Or wind.
Which way does it go?
Left.
You done it.
No, keep going, keep going.
One more, yeah?
Yeah.
We don't really actually need to lock it from this. Yes.
Should we keep it unlocked then?
Yeah, just keep it unlocked. There's no point locking it.
Ready? 3,
Close it.
2, 1. I'm doing it.
Action.
You seem to be enjoying yourself, but did you think it was just flying around? You've got to think under pressure, like one if you doesn't have a parachute.
Like it.
Do another one.
Okay.
You seem to be enjoying yourself, but did you think it was just flying around? You've got to think under pressure, like one if you doesn't have a parachute. Now, head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But if you do land in the K, I'll still be impressed. No, if you don't land in it.
Oh.
Now, head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you don't land in the K, I'll still be impressed. Now, head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you don't land in the K, I'll still be impressed.
No, you.
Yes.
Why would they be impressed if they don't land in the cave?
Yeah,
So
that's.
land it.
Yeah. But if you do land in the K, I'll still.
Yeah,
be
but that
impressed.
doesn't.
Yeah, it does make sense. If you do land in the K.
Yeah,
I'll
but that's
still
what they're supposed to do.
Yeah, that's the thing they're meant to do. So
Yeah, but
So
if
if
they
they
no,
do-
if you do land in the K, I'll be incredibly impressed.
No,
Yeah,
no,
I say that.
You're supposed to land in like a 50-meter radius on it.
No, you're meant to
in
land
the K.
it, like in it, aren't you?
But-
Should I say if
Within
you
the
land anywhere near the K, I'll still be impressed?
No, it's because they
Yeah,
But it's
panicking with their
anywhere
parachute.
near, doesn't make
But
sense.
if you still manage to land, if you still manage to land in the K, I'll be impressed.
Like, if you splat.
Let's do that.
Now, head for the K. Stay under the. Your mum. Now.
Oh no!
Is this a practice?
Yeah.
No, it's actually recording.
Right. Science.
Now, head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you do land in the K, I'll still be impressed. Now, head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you do land in the K, I'll still be impressed. Did you hear the door?
Oh wait, should we change K to drop zone maybe and see how that
Yeah.
works?
Yeah.
But if
Because
you do
K
land,
just sounds weird and could confuse some people.
Now.
Really, Emmanuel?
oh Christ, go away.
Hi, people. Now. Head for the K. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you don't land in the... I should say drop zone. Now. Head for the drop zone. Stay under the radar and try to sort yourself out. But even if you don't land in the drop zone, I'll still be impressed.
That's good.
I'll do the other line. I've done that
Okay.
line too many times. That's a good plan, Eggsy. Not much time now. That's a good plan, Eggsy. Not much time now. That's a good plan, Eggsy. Not much time now.
You sound like one of those starring characters.
1.
You alright? You alright? You alright? We're so terrible.
Oh my god! Right.
Should I do this 3 times?
You can. It's best to do it 3 times
Okay.
so we get the best line.
Okay. I can't do this. I can't. I can't do this. I can't. I can't do this. I can't. Yes, it's just that sometimes I've dreamed that I fall out of a plane. Yes, it's just that sometimes I dream that I fall out of a plane. Yes, it's just that sometimes I dream I fall out of a plane. Eggsy, I'm really scared. Eggsy, I'm really scared. Eggsy, I'm really scared. Eggsy, please don't make me do this. Eggsy, please don't make me. Eggsy, please don't make me. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
1. Quiet.
Go.
Christ. Christ. Christ.
Is that his only line?
No.
Yeah, that's only Digby's line.
No, Digby's got another one down here.
Look at the script, man!
Learn your lines.
Me. Oh yes. Me. Oh yes. Me. Oh yes.
Okay, that's Digby.
Wait, leave it a second. Bag's making noise.
Yeah, the bag's making noise. Hang on.
Every time. We're gonna have a lot of bloopers, aren't we?
Nick, please don't.
Read the bloody.
Yeah, no, I don't want you being like that.
Tom!
Deja vu.
Let's do it. Alright, ready? Seriously. 3,
Take
2, 1.
Do we need to press it?
No, it's already recorded.
Oh shit.
Guys, 3, 2, 1, record.
You alright? Wait, what?
You just read your. You just
Do I
read-
just do I have to wait? Stop to wait to as if like I was waiting for them to read their line? Or
No,
do
just like have 2 seconds between each take because we can cut it.
Just have like a few
Each
seconds.
line.
Yeah, like
Take 2 seconds.
say a line 2 seconds. Say a line 2
And
seconds.
don't forget to do some. And there's some stuff down here in the brackets that you might have to
See what
take a
they-
look at.
recording. Oh, yeah. Damn! Everyone listen up. I have a plan. Split up and grab the closest person to you. Rufus, come on. Ah! Rufus, you idiot. Now we're 1 short. Hurry up, everyone make a circle. If we grab hold of each other and 1 by 1 pull our cords. See who doesn't have a parachute. The people to their left and right, grab them who don't not have a parachute. What?
The people to their left and right, then grab them.
Okay.
People think all British people do is drink.
Do it.
If we grab hold of each other and know what... Oh, fuck. If we grab hold of each other and 1 by 1 we pull our cords. See who doesn't have a parachute. The people to their left and the right, then grab them. Ah, Roxy, grab hold of them. Fuck.
Ah! Roxy, grab hold of me and then we'll pull your cord. Then I'll pull mine.
Is this even English?
Yes.
Yes.
Pause this for a sec.
Press the red button. 2, 1. Wait.
You alright? You alright? You alright? Hey, you're gonna be great. You're top class. We got to jump. We got to jump. We gotta jump. Wait, what? Okay, let's stop
Okay,
that. And then
That's
That was good.
rock. Oh yeah, because like there's a massive gap.
yeah! Woo, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
That's good. That's good.
Last bit. Ah! Sorry, that was stupid.
That was a good scream until you laughed.
Ah! 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 Rocks! Well done, Rocks. Thanks.
What did you think?
What?
Done?
I think so.
3, 2, 1.
One. Action.
Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Fuck's sake, we can't get one take. We can't do
You know what? Someone else.
2, 1, quiet.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Eek! Woo!
That's good.
Okay.
2.
Exy, please, don't make me.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Should I do that first?
Yeah.
Exy, please, don't make me. Exy, please don't make me.
Do that again.
Yeah, sorry.
Wait, I'll count down.
It just sounded like you were being raped, to be honest.
I'll count down. And when I say 1, wait 2 seconds.
Yes,
and
don't
I'll-
make me
and
do it.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1, quiet. Fuck's sake.
Look at that.
Hit the button.
You down. Woo! Yeah! Roxy, come on, come on!
Again.
Yeah. I think you have to give it a second pause between the two
Yeah.
bombs.
You sound like you are.
You're recording.
Don't try and blag it.
Be quiet.
Right. So, how about on the side here? Hold it up. Where professional comes on. So, screen looks fairly ancient, but it works the same as way as a sort of like the Zoom will. Yeah, so it's got all the information. So, how long you record for, start and stop, menu and this. So you see these.
What? It's really hard to do. Dude, this is...
Sounds like you're hurt. Do as many takes as you want. Ready? It's recording. Right. 3, 2, 1. Ready.
I'm first, yes. I'll go first, yes.
One more.
I'll go first, yes. Oh, jeez. It's like that first.
It's not like a professional. 3, 2, 1. Stop moving.
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Roxy, come on! Come on!
Yeah, that's fine.
Pretty good. Okay, you still got one more.
You got one
Come
more.
and more into you, laddies.
Heavy, you still got two. You got two more lines. You got great to see you, Roxy, and then yeah. Don't forget the balls and cheers when you're doing that. Okay.
I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo.
Great to see you, Roxy. Yeah. Woo.
Okay,
Ready?
yeah, I know how to do it.
3, 2, 1. Quiet.
Haha, great to see you, Roxy. Great to see you, Roxy. Great to see you, Roxy.
No, do that last one again because there was background noise.
Great to see you, Roxy. It's a bit loud.
Okay, you still got to do one more.
Yeah!
Ready? Is that still going?
Is it? Oh shit.
Is it?
Do you want to do this?
Is it still?
Sure, because I'm really scared it's peaking.
Is it still going?
Yeah, still going.
Gas.
But I did
Great
use
gas,
that.
please.
Shh, shh, silence.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Quickly do some more roos and cheers.
Whoa! 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 Yeehaw! Top of the morning!
Got it. Okay.
2, 1, quiet.
Eggsy, wait. Please, don't make me. Eggsy, please don't make me. Eggsy, please, don't make me.
I think that last one because it had the least background noise in it.
There was background noise in the other two. What about the woos?
Just do the fucking lines already.
You just have to do woos and cheeries first.
Road dog.
I want to slap you.
Why?
We haven't turned over yet.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Die. Do 3 different takes.
Woohoo!
Stand here.
Woo!
In front of the mic. It's like I'm hearing it from the right side. Just stand right there.
Not everyone's in front of the mic.
Oh my god, just do it. It doesn't sound good.
Woohoo! Woo! Woo!
That's all we're going to get from it.
Let's just leave it.
2, 1.
Action.
Roxy, just stop messing around. Follow me. Roxy, just stop messing around. Follow me. Roxy, just stop messing around. Follow me.
That was pretty good.
That was good.
That was really good.
Was that all your lines?
No, there's a bit more.
That was
isn't there?
just.
Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quiet.
Help! 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 I can't. Oh, thank God.
Fuckers.
Motherfuckers.
Get back to
They're
your job.
laughing at me.
I can't. Oh, thank God. I can't. Oh, thank God.
Take about 2 second
You
pause
have to say- you
between.
have to
I
wait 2
can't.
seconds between each line.
That is my line.
Yeah, but I meant.
You have to wait 2
Like-
seconds. Like between
Yeah,
each-
Yeah,
between
do,
each
do
saying.
that line again and then
Because
just
if
wait
you
a
hear the
second. or two.
vibration from the last one, it's going to mess up the audio.
I can't. Oh, thank God.
It's a deagle.
Just watch my hand and then when it goes down you can say
It's the
What?
same line.
yeah, but you got to take a couple of seconds between them.
Yeah.
No, don't.
Yes, you do. It's what
No.
we've all been doing.
Show me.
Fuck's sake. I'm so sorry.
It's recording.
Oh.
The next stop will be Harlow Town. Please change here for Standard Express services for London Liverpool Street. Oh, for goodness sake. It's our it's just between us, no other group
We're not
involved.
going for a train in a movie.
No, it's just testing.
You don't need to test with trains.
No, we're just testing. Boom. Beep. This is Harlow Town. Change for Stansted Express services to London Liverpool Street and Stansted Airport. This train is for Cambridge. The next stop will be Harlow Mill, or Sawbridgeworth, or Bishop Stortford. It's just a come over here, Herbie. Oh, it's an orange gummy bear. An orange gummy bear. Why that's a big deal, I don't know. It's because it's an orange gummy bear.
I couldn't hear you the whole time, by the way.
Oh, good. It's an orange gummy bear. He had one, at least. That one's a green one. Another green one. And another. And I think there's a red one there. I think that's a yellow one. No, it's clear. I was very close. Is he going to eat it? Can I have one? Meanie. At least we can say this works. Say,
Right.
So,
say something nice.
so guys, have you all recorded sound effects?
My name's Jeff.
I'm going to come over and listen.
Okay.
Do we do the...
Record the sound effect.
I don't know.
Let me record falling through the sky
I can't.
sound effects.
Okay.
Ah! Oh, fuck.
Like angry.
Yeah, no. Ah! Roxy, grab hold of me and then pull your cord. What? This is really...
Grab hold of me, then pull your cord.
Okay.
Then I'll pull mine.
Roxy, grab hold of me, then pull your cord. Then I'll pull mine.
Okay, good.
No, do that again because he banged.
Yeah, okay.
And it calls like a
Be
bang.
angrier.
Roxy, grab hold of me, then pull your cord, then I'll pull mine.
Good boy.